Hi, my name is Dominic Hahner. I'm Associate Product Manager here at Avery, Dennison Performance Tapes, and I'm here with Jenna Miles.
Hi, I'm Jenna Miles. I'm an application engineer here at Performance Tapes.
Today we'll be starting our Tales of the Tapes video series, which will be talking about application insights of different markets and applications. Today we'll be focusing on brake shim specifically. So Jenna, could you tell us about how Avery Dennison Performance Tapes is in brake shim applications?
Absolutely. So we produce, obviously, as you know, tapes in roll form. So the brake shim itself needs to be bonded to the brake pad and then also the backing plate. So our tape does what it does best. It bonds two substrates together. In that, it also functions as a way to help dampen different noises and vibrations that will come from road noise, either out of your standard automotive car or on the racetrack.
Got it. Perfect. And so these different types of tapes, is there different types of constructions that are used for these?
Quite often, you're going to see transfer tapes in this application just because of their thinner profile. A transfer tape, as you know, is something that has no support, no carrier. So it's just a layer of adhesive that is just going to kind of pull up and stretch just like that. Because of the thin profile, it allows for a thinner gap filling from the brake shim. You'll sometimes see that there's a double-coated product being used, but it has to have a very specific type of carrier to fit the application and because of all the heat generated.
Got it. And for these different types of transfer tapes, are you using rubber, silicone, acrylic?
Different adhesives are being used. It really is application dependent. If the application is, say, on the racetrack where you're going to see very high heats at high speeds, a silicone adhesive, as you know, is going to have higher heat resistance. It has broader vibration damping at a nice high temperature resistance. Usually where we play in this space is the acrylic space. Acrylics are going to bond to a wider variety of substrates while also being able to function as that damping layer that is needed in the brake shim at different temperatures and frequencies.
Got it. Perfect. Well, the word of the day, it sounds like, is dampen. Do you have a different type of demonstration you can show us?
Absolutely. Damping is making sure that the noises and vibrations that you would normally hear maybe from either a car brake or really anywhere within the car is being essentially silenced. So if you hit a standard piece of aluminum with no damping function behind it, you're going to hear that. You're going to hear that ting. The other piece of aluminum has a PSA that is specifically formulated for vibration and noise damping. Hitting it, you're not going to hear that same ting.
So that one there that you just hit, that one has the PSA with it?
Yeah, PSA with a layer of aluminum on the back. So, it is what you're usually going to see with an application.
Got it. Sounds great. Well, I appreciate you explaining today about brake shim applications and how Avery Dennison excels in this market. If you'd like to learn more about brake shim, specifically with Avery Dennison Performance Tapes, please visit tapes.averydennison.com/brake shim.